Welcome back to Cyber Defense Learning Studios. We've talked about the what and the who of the cloud. Today, we're talking about the part that keeps CEOs awake at night, the bill. Alice, why is my imaginary cloud invoice making me sweat?
Because you're still thinking like a hardware owner, Leo. In the cloud, we stop buying and start consuming. It's the shift from CapEx to OpEx.
Right, exactly.
I don't know, Alice. I like owning my hardware. If I buy a server, it's mine. I can hug it.
Bob, you can't hug a cloud. Alice, break down these acronyms for the AZ900 students.
CapEx is like buying a house. You need a massive pile of cash up front. You own it, but you're stuck with it, and you have to pay to maintain it even if you aren't using all the rooms. OpEx is like the electricity inside. You don't build the power plant. You just pay for the kilowatts you used last night. If you turn off the lights, the bill stops.
So in the cloud, Microsoft owns the house, and I just pay for the light to run my apps?
Exactly. You trade the massive upfront cost of hardware for a predictable utility bill based on usage.
All right, let's get into the weird stuff. Bob, did you ever find that serverless rack?
Still looking. I've checked every row in this data center. There is no such thing as serverless.
That's because serverless isn't a place, Bob. It's an abstraction. Think of a vending machine. You don't care about the internal cooling or who stocked the coils. You just want the soda. In serverless, you just provide the code, the function, and Azure handles everything else. You only pay for the seconds the code actually runs.
And how does that fit into the food court analogy?
A traditional app is like a giant buffet. If the chicken is cold, the whole buffet is a disaster. Microservices, or the food court approach, means your login stand is entirely separate from your payment stand. If the taco stand is slow, the pizza stand still works perfectly.
Final big topic for Module 1, IAC, Infrastructure as Code. Why are we writing code to build a building?
Because humans are the weakest link in cyber defense, Leo. If Bob manually sets up 50 servers, he might forget to close a port on one of them.
I've only done that twice.
IAC is a digital recipe. You write a script that tells Azure exactly how to build your network and servers. You hit run, and it builds it perfectly every time. If a hacker messes with your setup, you don't try to fix it. You just delete it and redeploy the clean script in seconds. It's called immutable infrastructure.
Pay as you go, vending machine servers, and digital recipes. I think we just conquered Module 1.
You're ready for the next level.
Thanks for hanging out with us at Cyber Defense Learning Studios. Next time, we're moving into Module 2, Azure Architecture and Services.
I'm going to go see if I can script myself a pizza.
See you in the next one.